Opening a saving account for Lloyds Bank is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a saving bank account for your Lloyds Bank. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for Lloyds saving account. So I'm just going to search for that and it will take me to this website. Now here you just have to go to this website, which is saving.easy saver. So if I click on that, I will be at their home page. It's not actually a home page, it is just at the saving account section. Now here you will be able to see an option called open now. You just have to click on that option. So after that, it will take some time to load. And now here, as you guys can see, are you already a Lloyd banking customer? So if you are already a Lloyds Bank customer, you just need to click on yes. If you're not, then you just have to click on not. So suppose if I'm not, I'm just going to click on that. And now here, what I will do is I will just keep on scrolling down until I see this option. Now here you just have to select any of the option that you want. Suppose if you already have a bank account and you want to convert it to savings, you just have to click on apply now. And now here you need to fill out all of your information. So you get into the process of creating a saving account. When you get into the process, you always reach the ending. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create a saving bank account on Lloyds. Hope you guys find this video helpful.